Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe video. I love to share easy recipes that I have tried and have come out really good. Nobody wants to spend too much time in the kitchen, especially me. I love to try new recipes with whatever available in my pantry. So the snacks you see today are such. 2 sweets and 2 savory, really easy and simple ones. Anyone could try these with easily available ingredients. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. So let's begin with a savory one. It's a fry with leftover rice and fried fish, a simple snack for your evenings. For this I chopped 1 onion, some green chillies and some curry leaves. Now you can also add ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves and few extra spices. I kept it simple. Heat some oil and fry the chopped curry leaves and green chillies for a few seconds. Then saute in chopped onion. This is leftover fried fish from lunch. This is mackerel. Instead of this, you can use any other fish. Even tuna will taste good. Remove the flesh and keep aside. Now add this to the onion and mix well. Here I added only crushed black pepper. You can also add red chili powder, turmeric powder and such. Then add some cooked rice. Now we eat ponni rice for lunch, so adding that to the masala. You may use any cooked rice. Mix really well. Now you should get a wet mixture rather than a dry, only then you will be able to roll it. So do add rice accordingly. Now to coat, you will need beaten eggs and breadcrumbs. Now if you are a vegetarian, you can use crushed soya chunks instead of fish, and to coat, instead of eggs, you can use corn flour mixed with some water. And for the soya masala, you will have to add more spices to make it extra tasty. Deep fry these rice fish balls in oil to a golden brown color. Make sure the flame is medium. This recipe was made when I was in my weight loss journey, hence I didn't taste it. My kids enjoyed having it. Next is sweet peanut butter fudge, a healthy snack too. For this you will have to grind some cashews and almonds. Make it to a fine powder. Then in a pan, add a cup of wheat flour, the ground cashews and almonds, and then cardamom powder. Roast on medium heat. Keep mixing so that it doesn't burn. Once you can get a good aroma and the color slightly changes to a light brown, add powdered jaggery around 1 cup. Give a good mix. Then goes in 1 cup creamy peanut butter and mix well. Adding little bit of coconut oil, but that's optional. You may add this if you feel the mixture is dry, or else skip it. The jaggery powder had few chunks of jaggery pieces in it. I forgot to powder it completely before adding, so just using the pestle to break them down. Spread this into a tray lined with baking paper. I use the back of a steel glass to level it. Let that cool down completely. Slice into squares. And there's your delicious healthy peanut butter fudge. Really tasty and a must try. Next one is very simple and commonly seen savory snack. It's fried pasta. But here I have air fried it to keep it healthy. It's very crunchy and a great combination for your evening tea. Now you can use any type of pasta here. You will have to half cook the pasta in some hot boiling water, adding some salt. Once it's half cooked, add it to ice water to stop the cooking. Leave it for a few minutes. Strain and keep aside for some time. Add this to a bowl. To this, add your favorite spices. I added some dried red chili flakes, some salt, dried herbs such as basil, oregano and parsley. Then goes in cheddar cheese powder, black pepper powder. I forgot to add garlic and onion powder. Do add it when you're making it. It adds a good flavor. That's corn flour. Some oil. Mix everything really well. Now you can deep fry, but here I've used air fryer as I said before. I kept it on 160 degrees and fried for 20 minutes. Halfway I gave a mix to it and kept that back again. You can definitely do this in your oven too. And there you get your crunchy and tasty snack. Next and the last one is another sweet snack, and this was my kids' favorite among all. It melts in your mouth. Sometimes these biscuits are your favorite tea time partners, but sometimes it's boring. I had this big packet of Parle lying around, hence decided to try out this snack. Here in one pack there's 16 biscuits, so I took 4 such packs from this family pack. Ground the biscuits to fine powder. Make sure there aren't any chunks or pieces of biscuits. It should be completely powdered. Add that to a pan. Then goes in cocoa powder, around 3 tablespoons. Keep that on low flame and roast for 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure you don't burn. Then goes in powdered sugar. As the biscuits are already sweet, you won't need much. Mix for a few minutes and switch off the flame. Then gradually add in melted butter, around half to 3/4 cup. Mix everything really well. Now you need to get it this way. Now add this to a tray lined with baking paper. Make sure it's even and smooth. Before leaving it to cool down, slice it to small squares because after it has cooled down, it would break while slicing. So do keep that in mind. Now you can make a runny chocolate mix to dip the squares completely. I melted chocolate chips by double boiling, adding a piece of unsalted butter. Spread this paste on top of each squares. Now this is totally optional. It tastes really good even without. Do try this for your kids. I'm sure they will enjoy it. So that's all for today's video. Hope you would try the recipes and send me your feedback. Would love to hear from you all. Do send me your pictures on my Instagram or by email. See you all with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.